What are the consequences of this tax deduction claim, sir?
Fake claims.
Yes, fake claims.
See, what I'll tell you one more example. There was an organized rackets manager to ensure higher refunds. That network of intermediaries, they filed bulk returns with temporary email IDs,
Hmm.
fake TDS certificates, and closed PAN details,
Hmm.
PAN number details. And for example, in Jammu and Kashmir itself, uh, the Income Tax Department has filed FIR against 400 employees for wrong claims worth 16 crores rupees. And all these are forged documents. And as you said, consequence of fake deductions claims is that all these fake claims are considered as misreporting of income, tax evasion, and liable for penalties.
Okay. What is this penalties do, sir?
For misreporting of income, there are many penalties are there, and this is called under Section 270A. The penalty is 200% of the tax liable to be tax liable, and if it is done intentionally, if it is not done intentionally, it is 50% of the tax that is liable. And another one is other penalties are 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees for incorrect TDS and TDS statement, means making false TDS, fake TDS claims, and also interest at 1% per month on tax payable will be paid under 234 ABC. And in addition to all these things, they have to face prosecution.
Okay.
Prosecution means the imprisonment may be from 6 months to 7 years. And one more possibility is forgery for falsification of documents under Indian Penal Code 420, 468, 471. All these are possible for making wrong claims.
Okay. How this the interest is calculated, sir?
Month wise, suppose a 1% tax is to pay 1,000. Every month it comes to 1% is 10 rupees. 2 months is 20 rupees. 3 months 30 rupees.
Same the penalties also.
Penalties are tax payment.
Okay.
Suppose 1% tax is underreported, tax is there, there will be penalty of 2,000 rupees, 200%. If it is done intentionally, if it is not intentionally, they will pay 50%, means 500.
Okay. What are the recent crackdowns by income tax department, sir?
And also, the department will go for reassessment.
Okay.
After giving a notice to the taxpayer, this is the difference. Will you explain the sources? If the person is not able to explain, the department can reopen within 6 years from the end of the assessment year. So all these differences has to be explained by the taxpayer. Otherwise, it will be reassessment will be undertaken by the proceedings will be initiated by the income tax department. Recent crackdown, I told you in 25 income tax 25. So understanding the seriousness of misuse of income tax department deductions, nationwide crackdown has been done in July 25, where 90,000 salaried employees were found to be claiming false deductions, and thereby the government has incurred heavy loss, and more than 40,000 taxpayers has rectified their mistakes, retracted their pay claims, and paid 1,000 crore rupees tax.
And this all will be data will be with AI, right, sir?
All the now every information, every data with income tax department is verified with artificial intelligence. And one more thing is in a large scale verification, I revealed that there are some discrepancies. The income tax conducted raids in 150 locations in Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Gujarat, Punjab, and Madhya Pradesh. And search also operations covered in search operations. These search operations uncovered fake bills, donation receipts, fake TDS certificates, and cloned PAN details. Means PAN number, the person doesn't know at all. This PAN number was given and claimed it expenditure. The person is saying that I don't know that person at all. See, we can know PAN number of any person.
Any person.
It doesn't mean that I have received the PAN number.
Yes.
I received the payment unless it is proved that it is proved in the bank account.
Yes.
All these are happening now. Every verification is being done with technology-driven detection with the help of artificial intelligence in class verification of the annual information statement, 26 AS, third-party data, means banks, employers, financial information, mismatches, all these are verified This is happen. This is also data mining is also happening from 2017. Now because of success in 2015 achieved by the Income Tax Department, 2025 achieved by the Income Tax Department, and they could collect 1,000 crores. Now the Income Tax Department is going for data mining of returns from now 2017 onwards. 17 onwards.
Onwards.
See, it is there is. I think there is no time limit. Even 6 years also will not apply for this income tax, because making false claim or fake receipts is there is no time limit under Indian Penal Code. That is also possible that Income Tax Department go under IPC, and even income tax also for fake claim there is no time limit. For assessments reopen, there may be time limit, but not for these fake claims.
Okay. Sir, specifically, how did this income tax department detects the fake? They are
Because-
fake.
Yes. How it has happened is, suppose a person claimed I have paid insurance premium. Next year also will pay.
Hmm.
Third year also will pay. Whether they will verify with the insurance records, whether this person is purchased any policy or not.
Hmm.
First, if he is not purchased any policy, there is no premium at all.
Okay.
If he has taken, whether he will verify the bank record, whether he has taken a loan or not,
Hmm.
housing loan or not. If he has not taken any loan, there is no housing loan interest.
Okay.
This means reverse verification is going on,
Hmm.
because PAN number is available every time.
Yes.
Insurance company requires PAN number, bank account requires PAN number, loan account requires, everything is linked to PAN number or
linked
Aadhaar
to
number.
PAN number, yes.
In that way, the Income Tax Department is cross-verifying the data provided by the taxpayers.
Taxpayers.
The details of bank account, loan account numbers, all these details you have to put. And if you purchase claiming interest on vehicle loan purchased, and that vehicle details, registration numbers also to maintain. The documents for unload proofs were required. And what is happening is, many people are underestimating Income Tax Department.
Okay.
It's the main problem. They feel, who knows that I am myself is withdrawing, or I am myself is my documents. I know my transactions only. The Income Tax Department doesn't know.
Yes.
Now, what is happening? Income Tax Department highly technologized. Technologically, it is implementing high-tech driven approach with artificial intelligence, machine learning. All these things are making the taxpayers not to escape, means compel them to pay right tax.
Hmm.
The Income Tax Department main idea is right person, right tax, right time. If you are paying right tax, right time, right person, right tax, right time, there is no problem at all. But if you want to make any small deviation or any small planning, evasion planning, or making a fake claim, false claim, you may be caught at any time,
Hmm.
and that is liable for interest, penalty, and there are so many consequences.
Right.
And as for also, the department is verifying high value transactions,
Okay.
about 10 lakhs shares purchased, about 30 lakhs property, about 10 lakhs cash deposits in savings account, about 50 lakhs savings account. All these above 1 lakh credit card payments, above 10 lakh, above 1 lakh foreign expenditure. All these transactions are verified by the Income Tax Department for correction, for knowing whether correct information report, correct income has been disclosed, correct tax has been paid. This is possible with implementing using artificial intelligence, machine learning. All these are happening.
What is the main conclusion for this fake?
See, as far as income tax is concerned, in my experience of 42 years, 43 years we can say, I was qualified 42 years. Better be true and fair with the Income Tax Department. Avoid tax by planning,
Hmm.
but don't evade income tax by making fake claims,
Hmm.
fake TDS certificates, false claims. You can be caught at any time, because now the Income Tax Department is fully technology developed, and this is very difficult to escape from the scrutiny of the Income Tax Department. See, when we started practice in 40 years back, we used to know that there is who is there to verify our transactions.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Now it is everything. When everything is digitalized, everything is cross verifiable. We cannot expect like that. Now the Income Tax Department is also accepting the returns as you file, giving refunds within 1 week. and any information they are asking, clarification asking 2 to 3 times. If only you don't respond, they are taking action. Otherwise, they are accepting. Then why you go for evasion? The tax rate are also compared to all of the world, Europe countries, America, the tax rate is 50%, 50%. Here India is highest is 30% after basic limit of 10 lakhs. See, we cannot expect we can avoid the tax. We can avoid the tax, but not evade the tax. The most important. And now the income tax department is approaching, practicing zero tolerance for tax fraud. All these are called tax frauds. The income tax department not going to accept any tax fraud, and that is going to give lot of inconvenience, harassment. It can be considered as harassment to the taxpayers. For this purpose, every taxpayer has to know himself first, his transactions, his sources of income, tax payments, insurance payments, all these deductions. Next, use technology. Wherever you want to know the information or correctness, you can cross-verify with the technology, means searching on the Google or any income tax portals also you can do, or else you can contact the income tax department. They'll give support also, clarification also. And if it is not possible, you can go for correct right advisors to take help and plan taxes legally. That's the most important thing. Don't evade the tax. And everything is stay updated. Every time you be updated for filing income tax returns. But don't be guided by, misled by greed or misinformation, and try to cause financial loss to income tax department. The most important thing, because every figure is cross verifiable, every figure is verifiable, and advanced technology making the things corrected and verified. Complaints for taxpayers face severe penalties if it is not done correctly. Prosecution for fraudulent claims, and if anything is done happened by mistake, you can file updated return by paying additional tax. Honesty in tax filing is most important, and evasion is riskier than ever. This is the most important lesson we have to learn for every taxpayer.